So here we are on phase 2, day 2 of sealing the patio so the outside wall won't leak. Yesterday we put on the sealer and filled the crack. Today we're putting the red guard on. JD's getting pretty good at it. So now we have a barrier, a waterproof barrier that goes from the bottom of the window all the way out about 18 inches or more out here. So now when we put the stone on, we don't have to worry about it leaking and getting into the house. This was the only wall that had a plate line that went down below this patio. The other walls all have, you can see the foundation where you actually step up into the house. So they're okay. What we were concerned about was this one, because water's going to try and migrate into the house, and we've now prevented that from happening. It comes up to this wall right here, which actually steps up, and we have about 2.5, 3 inches of the foundation showing, which is exactly what we want. So, another problem solved at the rescue house. One at a time, we're fixing it.